The market whips us around before finally breaking over a key level in the after hours. This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so the market basically traded in a pretty wide range today, testing both the highs and the lows before settling up near the high of the day. After hours, it has poked its head above a key resistance level, and if it can hold that, it opens the door to the rally we've been talking about. Now, I'll get into that in just one second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, so the market, as I said, traded in a pretty wide range, but it opened the door to our rally after hours. It broke above 43.65, which was our key resistance level, and now it needs to hold that and continue this move forward. So to see it more clearly, let's jump in and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1 hour futures chart. And before I jump into the analysis, I just want to go over one more time Elliott Wave and charts and how to use this because there's still confusion. Okay, if you are hard, steadfast, convicted that the market's going to go up and you're not watching key levels and you don't understand what happens when key levels break, you're going to get in trouble. If you're hard, steadfast, committed that the market's going to go down and you're not watching key levels and the key levels break, you're going to get in trouble. And that's what Elliott Wave gives us. It gives us the highest probability path at the time, and then it gives us the key levels that make sure that that path stays on its journey. If those key levels break, then the market changes. And that happens day to day very often, especially in corrections, which we are in right now, guys. The market is whipsaw. It has not given us a clean structure, and therefore the bullish and bearish tenor of the market changes day to day. All right? So let's jump in and go over the analysis, and I'm going to give you both the bullish and bearish options and the primary path that I see right now. So first, remember we had our wave 3 high here. So let's talk about the bearish option first because that's my primary count. I think we are still in a correction, and until the bulls prove otherwise, we will stay in that correction, okay? So we have our wave 3 top here. We have A, B, C down, and that gives us wave A. Now I have a 4 down here in green, and that's the bullish alternative, and I'll come back to that, so ignore the 4 for right now. That gives us our A wave down. We have completed the A wave of B, and it looks like now we have completed the B wave of B because we have broken over this key level of 43.65. Now, assuming the market can hold this overnight, okay, this is a key level. If the market holds 43.65 overnight and continues to move up, then it's very likely we are in the rally towards this C right here, which would complete the B wave, and that would be at 44.70 because A, which right here from this bottom to this top is the length of A, and if you put that at the bottom of B, that measures out A equals C to 44.70. So that is what we're watching for the bearish option right now, because if that completes and fails right here, then we expect the C wave down, and it should be a pretty massive C wave towards the 4,000 region, okay? And that's based on A here equals C here, okay? So that's what we're looking for there. Now, the bullish option, okay, is that this is the bottom of 4, all right? And we are tracing out a leading diagonal in order to get wave 1 in place for the bullish option to continue. Now, you know how I feel about diagonals. They are unreliable, and they break very often. So until it proves to me that it is a full leading diagonal, we are in the bearish primary path. However, for that to play out so we understand where we're at, if this was the bottom of 4, then this A, and they're overlapping here, so let me clean this up, okay, becomes the 1 wave because you have a 3-wave move in a diagonal. So you have A, B, C up for 1, okay? Then you would have ABC down for wave 2 that you can see here. And then at this point, if it's going to be a bullish pattern, okay, then we would expect this rally to exceed 44.70 and get closer to 4,500. And if that's the case, because in diagonals, the C wave usually equals the 1.236 of waves A and B. So we would expect it to hit around 4,500. Okay, if that's the case, we can start getting bullish at that point and watch for this pullback here to wave 4, okay, to this 44.30 region, 44.20 region, for that to hold. If that holds and we start up again, then it's very likely we are bullish. But all of those things have to happen for the bulls. They have to exceed this 4470 level up to 4500. They have to hold this pullback, and then they have to rally from there. If they do that, then I will tell you that we are on a bullish path, and it looks very much like wave one. Okay? The third option, okay, and this is the less likely of the three, but I want to put it out there, is that this fails here. Okay? It does not make the rally. It fails and turns and breaks back below 4365 and then breaks key support at 4310. If this 4310 level breaks, then it's very likely we are on a more direct path towards 4100. Okay? So that is what we're watching today. Again, the primary path, the path that has the highest probability of completing, okay, is this B wave rally. All right? We bought longs down here at this low, and we're riding them out. Hopefully we can get them all the way up to the 4470 region and get this rally to play out. That is our primary count and the bearish setup for C down. Okay? Our secondary path is if it blows through this area, this 4470 area, up towards 4500, then the bulls have the ball, and they can turn this into a bullish structure. And if they do, they will need to hold this wave 4 at around 4420 and complete wave 5 up toward the all-time highs around 4550. And then finally, the least likely path is if they break down and come straight down through 4310, then it looks like we could be in a direct route towards 4100. All right, guys, if you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to get in my Facebook group, okay? There's a link down in the description. That'll take you over to Facebook. So go ahead and click that link below. It'll bring you over to Facebook. You do have to get approved to get in my Facebook group. I will approve you. All you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, join the team, and come over to Facebook, and I will get you in there. Once inside Facebook, you can hit this featured button. It used to say announcements. They changed it today to featured, apparently. So you can hit this featured button. Okay, you scroll down. You'll see our documented trades, so you can see what we've been trading to date. You can scroll down a little further, and you will see our Slack channel. Slack is just a free chat channel. You come over there. I'm on there all day during real-time market hours, and I'm giving live updates. I give all of our buy and sell alerts. I answer all of your questions. We have an excellent group of traders from the very beginner to the very expert, and it's a great place to learn or improve your trading, bounce ideas off of each other, and make some money. All right, guys, so come on over. We'd love to have you so we can make some money together. Okay, guys, so key takeaways for today. We are looking for the bulls to continue this rally up over 4365. The next key level for them to break through to continue this rally will be this 4400 to 4405 level. They need to break through that, this high right here. And then the final key level to keep this rally going will be this 4420 area. They break above that, and we should be running into that triangle at that high at 4470. If they break above that, then we can start talking about bullish options. If they break down from there, it looks very bearish. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.